Hi everyone, and hope you are all doing very well. So guys, I am again back to you with another flight. But today, sorry, I'm not feeling well. I'm a bit sick. But you know the problem, the flying on my inside my blood. So I have to go and to see my friends fly. And today I just left the work to just to join my friends and to have a fun. And I decided to do another flight with my Synergy 696. I hope you guys will enjoy with this flight. I'm pushing the helicopter a little bit more this time. Guys, the setup I'm using on this helicopter, Xnova motor, Hobby Wing ESC, MKS servos, Rotortech blades, fully max batteries, 12S with the Supra X connectors, and I'm using Rotortech tail blades on this helicopter. So let's go and see this flight, and hope you all enjoy and wait for my next videos. Thanks everyone.